Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to block a Wi-Fi signal in 2025. With the explosion of smart homes and increasing privacy concerns, controlling Wi-Fi signals has never been more relevant. Whether you're dealing with nosy neighbors or just want to secure your space, this guide will walk you through practical, effective methods. Let's jump right in. First, why block a Wi-Fi signal? In 2025, we rely on wireless tech more than ever, but that means potential risks like unauthorized access or signal interference. Blocking can help protect your data or create Wi-Fi free zones for better focus. One of the simplest ways is using physical barriers. Materials like metal sheets, aluminum foil, or even a Faraday cage can absorb or reflect Wi-Fi waves. For instance, wrapping your router in foil might seem old school, but it's a quick DIY fix for reducing signal spread. In 2025, advanced options like smart fabrics or metamaterials, engineered to block specific frequencies, are gaining popularity. These can be embedded in walls or devices for seamless protection. On the software side, start by accessing your router's settings. Lower the transmission power to limit the signal range, or use directional antennas to focus it in one direction. Apps and AI-powered tools can now automate this, detecting and blocking unwanted connections in real time. Remember, always prioritize legal and ethical methods. Avoid Wi-Fi jammers, as they're often illegal and can disrupt emergency services. If you're concerned about privacy, pair these techniques with a VPN or firewall to encrypt your data. The key is balance. Block what's necessary without cutting off your own access. In wrapping up, blocking a Wi-Fi signal in 2025 is about smart choices and safety. Experiment with these tips, but always check local regulations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tech hacks. See you next time.